Big boy on here. Big boy. You see it? You see it, boy? Screaming Eagle, man. You're not playing. I got my man right here with me, man. Tell him where you from, boss, man.
Hey, man, we from Hampton, Georgia. Originally from Chi-Town.
My man.
Yes, sir.
Smitty. Yes, sir. I just met him, man. We at Great South, man.
We at Great South. Chilling, man. They do great work right here at Great South.
Yes, sir. Tell them what we got right here, boss, man. What we got?
We got that 131. We
yes,
got that Street Glide. 131 sitting on the deck, man. Got that big boy kit. You know, we ain't doing nothing. Trying to make it do what it do, man. They
yes,
do good
sir.
work over here, man. Y'all come check out Great South.
Hey, man, that thing sounds amazing,
that's
man.
My brother Austin, right? Yes,
yes
sir. Y'all check out my brother Austin.
Yes,
He's doing it big over here, man.
Hey, man.
Check him out. Check him out on YouTube, you know?
Appreciate it.
Yes,
I'm loving it, man. I'm loving
yes,
it.
Sir, man.
I'm
We're
loving
going to see what it do, man. We just got the oil change, fresh oil on it. We're going to see what she do. We've been babying her for 500. So we're going to see what she do.
Time to turn it up.
Time to turn it up, man.
Yes, sir.
That's what's up, man.
Hey, man. Appreciate the love, man. I love that, though. 131, man. The big one. The big one. Yes, sir. Be safe out, man. Nice to meet you, brother. Yes, sir. For sure, man. No doubt. Hey, man, 131, you heard it. Talking, man, Screaming Eagle. That cam sounds so freaking good, man. Oh, my God, I'm loving it. 131 coming soon. Yes, sir, man. Thanks for watching, man. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, guys. Thanks for the love. Thanks for the support. Let's go.